My name is Chris Wiley, and at NowSecure I do pretty much everything that plugs into the wall. If it's internet, if it's power, it's all me, from end user system administration and setup to back-end data center setup and maintenance, networking, security, incident response. Yeah, if it plugs into the wall, it's my fault. There was one part of the interview where the founder, Andrew Hoog, had promised me that I would never be bored a single day while I was here at NowSecure, and to date, that promise has been fulfilled. So what is it like to have someone like Ula, who created Frida, working for NowSecure? First of all, it's phenomenal. To know that there are people out there who, first of all, have the knowledge and the willingness to create these tools and have them be open source. But then to have those exact same people work at this company is phenomenal. It goes to show just what kind of people we employ. We do employ the best of the best, and we do go out there and we try to find this talent. And we've had some misses, we've had some hits, but regardless, we've developed such a phenomenal internal team, and really everyone who's working at this company is frighteningly intelligent. So that in and of its own, there really aren't words. One of the aspects that we like to address is the hacker's point of view. We have individuals who are authorities in the industry. We've actually given talks at Black Hat. We've gone to DEF CON, and we have, I'm not going to say our finger on the pulse, but we are really closely tied to the open source community, and because of that, we're able to put ourselves in the shoes of the attacker. We're able to say, okay, how would I break this? And in doing so, we're able to say, okay, we're going to actually take all of these attack vectors. We're going to take man-in-the-middle approach. We're going to take the device itself. We're going to try to pin the cert. We're going to try to look at the source code itself and find all these avenues that an attacker would use and say, okay, I was able to successfully break your app, your services, your system this way, and this is how an attacker would do it. Feel free to fix it now. The feature that really impresses me is the fact that we are testing out physical devices. Even with the demonstration that we've had recently with virtualized instances of iOS, there are going to be instances where we are going to run into vulnerabilities or findings that exist on a physical device that don't exist or don't appear in a virtualized device. The other fact is that we have developed a system from the ground up to be automated. Everything from downloading the app to installing it to running the test to capturing the network traffic. We don't have a human sitting at a desk doing that. All of it is done by the machines, which means that it takes a fraction of the time. So not only are we going to give you real results, because people are going to be using real devices and not going to be using virtual devices, but we do it very, very quickly, and we do it very accurately. We have these tests, we have these researchers who have gone through and found these vulnerabilities and who can now write the code to hit these potential vulnerabilities, to run these tests and generate the output, generate the reports that it's going to take an individual days to pull off. Really is, hands down, no questions asked. We do it in 10-15 minutes. And we are, for all intents and purposes, selling a company their time back.